We're cooking Gold Seas Yellowfin Tuna Spaghetti. Perfect for Noche Buena.
Yes, definitely. Something you can add to your roster of food.
So, here are the ingredients.
This is oil. We have oil. We have onion. We have garlic. We have spaghetti sauce,
Sweet.
cheese, and cream. And of course, we have our Gold Seas tuna in olive oil. So what we're gonna do is we are going to boil the pasta first. Okay, I need you to put this inside.
Good job.
Very good. Woo! 10 points.
Good job. Good job.
All right. So
All
while
right.
we wait for that to boil, put the oil. Okay, can you put the oil, please, love? Very good. Good job.
All right. Thanks, man.
I think it's ready, Papa.
Go.
Okay,
Careful,
can you
huh?
put it in? Just be careful, okay?
Careful. Go.
All right. Okay. Would you like to try and mix it? Okay.
Galing. Okay, what's next? Garlic. Put garlic.
Next. Yeah.
Careful.
The edges. Okay.
Very
there you
good.
go. Awesome
There
job.
you go. Mixing.
And then this is next.
I will.
Okay, dump it in. Careful, okay? Wow, there you go. There, oh, a little bit that. There you go. See?
I will mix it.
Okay. you
Mix it, go.
Okay. Good job. Yeah.
Good job, Anna.
Here, love. You want to put the put the sauce inside?
He wants to break. You want? It's okay. Okay. So we now put
The sauce.
sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Nice.
It's busy in the Arellano kitchen. Prima, you want to add the cream now? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Wow, good job. Make sure everything's inside.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, Papa will help.
Very good. Good job, Anna. Maybe next time we can make tuna pizza. Huh? What do you think? Go.
Okay. So this is that. Okay,
Salt
put
first.
Some salt.
Salt
okay,
first.
And then sprinkle it.
Go. Put it here.
And
Wow.
can you put some pepper? Wow. Okay, a little bit more. All right. Good job, love. And then later we're gonna put the cheese. Mmm. This is yummy. All right. Okay, are you ready to put the cheese?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here. Can you get the sauce? Put some sauce inside, love. Yeah, there you go. Wow. Some more.
Are done?
No, some more, please, love. Okay.
Wow. Last one. Just a little bit.
One
Just
more.
a little bit.
Just a little bit.
There. Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
Good job.
And then can you sprinkle some cheese? You just get
Just
a little bit.
Just
Like
a little
this,
bit.
And then like that.
There.
Yep.
Go.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yummy. Yeah, tuna spaghetti.
Okay, time to taste.
Let's try it.
Okay. Test it out, Mama.
Okay, Papa.
Wait.
Naglalaway ako, Mama. Mmm.
Sarap. Mmm.
Papa.
Yummy. Binanch mo yung ano.
Mmm. It's yum.